Good afternoon, it's Sunday, September 13th. I'm getting ready to head out on another adventure. This time's going to be one of my biggest adventures yet. I'm heading out for a full week. 6 nights, 7 days. Different campground every night, so no trailer, no scooter this time. Instead, I've got the 2 red bins mounted on the trailer hitch rack. They're all good to go, nice and solid. Good. Everything's pretty well packed in here. Still bring too much stuff with me, but it's going to take a fair amount of time to unload things at each stop, but we'll adjust as we go along. This is my first time doing a multi-stop trip like this. Plenty of water, my electronics. My seat empty is the driver's seat. And a little stockpile of firewood. I have to lay this down because that's going to go flying anyway. We're good. Ready to take off. Cold is plenty cold. 32.5 degrees to start off with. It's got regular ice in it this time rather than ice packs. Got my water tank filled up. So we're ready to take off. So updating frequently, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm at my first stop, the rest area up near Concord on 93. Traveled 50.7 miles, and I've got another 73 to go, so may or may not be my only stop along the way. I don't know yet. We'll see. See how I feel. But it's going to be over an hour before I get to the next stop. Don't mind that. It's my phone binging at me. So, anyway, quick stop here to use the facilities and stretch my legs for a bit, and then back on the road. Arrived. I'm at, what's the name of this place? Russell Pond Campground. Southern side of the White Mountains out in North Woodstock. Closer to Waterville Valley area. Nice little park. Never been here before, so we'll do some exploration. A little chilly out, as you can see. I had to put my jacket on, and that, what is it, 61 degrees out here right now, so. And it's dropping. I guess we might even see a little rain tonight, so we'll see. I got the campsite mostly well set up. The canopy here, protect from the rain. Truck's ready to go. I got my own firewood, but I'm going to go find some campground firewood here. Save my packaged bundles for when I really need them. I got some company down here too. A couple of birds over here. They don't seem to be fazed by my presence at all. So, alright, we're good to go. More to follow, I guess, once I go get some firewood. Okay, we got everything set up here at Russell Pond Campground. Some light. We got the fire going nicely. Music on. Yeah. Music's going. Now it's time to start making some dinner. Just kind of late tonight, but almost 7 o'clock, so we're just gonna make a quick, simple dinner. Chicken fingers and fries tonight. Unfortunately, even when camping, dishes do need to be done. But at least I have water for it, so. Not too bad a setup here. Just wish I had a little bit more light, but I came in kind of late tonight, so. My own fault, though. Took me too long to pack again. I've reached the end of the first day on the road. Been a fun time over here at Russell Pond Campground. Really haven't done much because I got here kind of late. Left late as I usually do in the getting out of the house, but we're here. The first night here. Tomorrow I'm planning on actually heading to lower ground. I know you always hear about people heading to higher ground, but I'm heading to lower ground tomorrow. Plan is that it's supposed to get rather cold tomorrow. Potential temperatures down into the low 30s. And up at 1,800 feet, I suspect it's going to be quite a bit cooler than it is at a lower site. So we're going to head up a little bit further north, but quite a bit lower in terrain there. And see if we can find some place that's, well, like I said, just a bit lower, maybe a little bit warmer. So we'll see what happens. But otherwise, we'll say goodnight to everybody, and we'll see you in the morning and get ready to head on to the next site. Unfortunately, when camping,